This is my uniform to work. Yeah, I don't want to work without cover. A lot of bugs flying. Yeah, I have a lot of bites. Even I cover myself, at least my forehead and face, only a little bit, and my hand. But my body not yet. No bites. Careful only. So I'm enjoying my work here. And tomorrow, guys, samahan nyo rin akong mag-mower tomorrow. Tomorrow again. There's a lot of dogs in the neighbor are barking now. So, guys, thank you for supporting me, and I'm thankful for all the story senders, followers and viewers. Thank you so much for supporting me. I love you all.